Today is St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you. I hope you're feeling lucky. I'm feeling lucky because I'm sharing with you a DIY shenanigan to help keep your plants alive when you go for a vacation. Well, spring break is just around the corner for most of us, and I bet some of you are planning on going away for maybe a week or two. Well, I don't blame you. So much craziness in this world, we need it. But if you're like me, you also love plants. And one of the fear is that when you go away for a vacation, they'll be dead by the time you get back home. Unfortunately, I have that same experience when I went for a 2-week vacation. I get back home and most of my plants are dead. But luckily, I did say I'm feeling lucky. Luckily, I found a solution that is quick, easy, most of all, it's cheap to help keep my plants alive when I go away for a vacation. So enough talking, let's start the DIY. So that's it. Easy peasy, and hopefully when you go on your next vacation, your plant is going to love you when you do that, because they'll have a constant supply of water while you're gone. Well, that's it for me today, guys. I hope you like this video and let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions or comments, just leave me a message and I will try to get back to you whenever I can. And also, if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So until then, see you next time. Bye!